Good morning, gentlemen. In the previous lesson, we have learned what are the meaning and use of the factor 1 4 qualities. Today, I will take you to the second quality, which is social factors. It deals with social factor. As we are all aware, army or armed forces per se is a plural noun. One person, however brave or strong, cannot make an army. And since it's a body of men that we are speaking about, there are issues which are interpersonal in nature. So, the three factors here that we discuss in social adjustments are social adaptability, sense of responsibility, and lastly, cooperation. Social adaptability emanates from an individual's grooming, because we all grow up into a particular setup, family setup, religious setup, language setup, school setup, and various other. And that gives us peculiarity in our behavior. Those peculiarities can be in the field of eating, drinking, going to temples, places of worship, or going to schools and interacting with your teachers. We are looking for a person, social adaptability speak, notwithstanding what are the various differences which have grown, no matter for what reason, grooming or otherwise, we should be very, very adaptable, because the person who becomes an officer, he has to learn to be getting adapted to the culture, food habit, religious habit, and every other form of individual differences that may occur. His individual identity should quickly merge with the group identity in eating, drinking, worshipping, and speaking. And therefore, all officers, particularly those going to infantry, artillery, armored, wherever the group contact is more, are expected to learn their language within 6 months of being commissioned. Second quality is cooperation. Often in our wisdom or due to our personal nature, we feel hesitant in seeking help, because many of us consider seeking of help or cooperation as weaknesses. But here, in an army setup, what is important is not your individual pride. What is most important is task accomplished. And therefore, if there is a possibility of your completing the task successfully with the help of others, you should do that. And therefore, seeking cooperation is as important as giving cooperation. So this person should be able to easily give and take help. And finally, the sense of responsibility. Here is a person who after commission is being governed by his own consciousness. On warlike situation and many other opportunity, there is no one to guide you or govern you, nor there is anybody to observe you. So let consciousness alone be your guide. Rules are to be followed because there are rules, and that is what is expected. That if you have to help somebody or do something which nobody is observing, you will still do it because you are charged with the responsibility of the upkeep of your men, material, resources, and of course the objective. Therefore, social responsibility becomes a very, very important mark in your selection as an officer. Thank you. Next, I will discuss of factor 3, which are highly trainable. We'll touch it as and when I speak to you again. Thank you.